Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix little body damage if you had less than pleasant encounter, I don't know, with a wall or something. Yeah, it's, I mean, not bad, but if you have some scrapage, some scratches, it's actually fairly easy to fix, so don't stress out. Alright, so first you're gonna need is some sort of like a polishing compound, and then you're gonna need some sort of, I mean, I would recommend something fairly decent when it comes down to buffer. I use a Porter Cable version, which is not expensive and it works pretty well. Alright, so let's get to it right after this. Alright, I'm just gonna use what I got available, which is I have this turtle wax polishing compound, which is fairly decent. I also have some other stuff from, I think, Griot's Garage, but I'm gonna try this guy first, see if it works out. And then polisher we're using, like I said, this Porter Cable with just a polishing pad, nothing crazy. So let's get to it. And if I moon you guys, then my bad, but you're getting show on the house. Oh yeah, and clean the surface before you actually start. As you can see, most of it came out, so we're gonna try to hit up this area one more time over here, and then we're gonna just use a little bit of touch-up paint and clear coat, and should be like new, better than new. All right, cool. So I'm gonna try to hit that spot again, and then we'll see if that worked out or not. All right, so after hitting it one more time, it pretty much took off most of the scratches. And by the way, the reflection you're seeing right there, that just power cords on the ground. So once the scratches are off, we're gonna do a little bit of a touch-up over here, and that should put it pretty much like it was new. So as far as the touch-up, unfortunately I don't have an actual paint that's Toyota specific, but I got close enough. I actually have this bad boy over here because I just had to do it on the Chicks Element, so Honda Silver paint, which is gonna be pretty close. So let's shake it for about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna apply some and see how close it is. If it's close, it's close. If it's not close, oh well. Then I'll just order some Toyota paint eventually. So we'll see how that works out for us. Alright, let's see if it's any close. Close. Alright, so we're gonna get a couple layers in there and then put some clear coat on it, and it should be good. It is definitely looking a lot better after first layer. And by the way, that little thing you're seeing, that's a reflection. All right, so once it dries out, there's actually a clear coat on this thingy. So then just put some clear coat on it, and it's gonna be like new. That's it. That's how you do it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully it helped you out. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, laddie?